Hello everyone. Usually our updates are on Sunday, but we're doing a midweek update right now. As all of you know, I'm sure, there is a coronavirus pandemic happening right now, and emergencies are being declared. People are staying at home. Most people are working from home, and in fact, I've been working at home for a week now. Mel is now also going to be working from home. Yeah. So yeah, things are a little crazy.
Before we go into our plans and stuff though, we do want to make sure that we send out a huge thank you to all of the essential workers out there, medical personnel, first responders, security, police, all of you. Thank you is all we can say is thank you. We are forever grateful for the risk that you guys take every day, and especially in this situation. A lot of people have been asking us how this is affecting our plans, and so we thought that's the reason for our midweek update.
We record our videos usually about 2 to 3 weeks in advance. So it's not always the most up to date, but so as of right now, some of our plans have been canceled or delayed. So our last day of work is still the last week of the month, approximately. However, our April 4th trip to Seattle is very much canceled, as one might expect. Also, sadly, our April 9th anniversary trip that was to be to Maui is also canceled, as one might expect, borders being closed and all. Also, we were planning to list our house for sale in mid-April. This is very likely delayed, although we don't know how delayed it'll be yet, but we'll have to see.
The fortunate thing for us is, we're very lucky that our plans are quite flexible, because of, we're stopping work basically. So we can just sit and wait, hopefully not get too bored. But we are very fortunate, very blessed that this didn't happen at this time of year for us anyways last year, because we did take a huge anniversary trip to Tahiti, so we're very thankful that didn't come up last year.
I can't imagine if that would have happened last year, but in the meantime, our overall plan is still more or less on track, a slower track, and we do have some video updates for you in the queue. So this coming weekend, we're going to talk about how to quit your job with style. Next weekend, it'll be about how we're preparing our home for sale. And the weekend after that, we're going to have a special video all about our last week of full-time work, which will be very, very different than what we thought it would be.
Yes.
So that'll be interesting.
Yeah. But in the meantime, we hope everyone out there is doing well. Please take care of yourselves, your physical and your mental health, and stay safe.
Take care, everyone.
Bye. Bye.